Hey guys, what's up? My name is Rizwan Siani. Nice to meet you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell notification because I'm going to be delivering a lot of good value, a lot of good tips on how to make money. Alright, so I'm not exactly sure why I can't see myself. It's kind of weird. I hit record to record my screen, but anyways, look guys, what I want to do is I want to record a video of a case study. Now, this is an actual legitimate case study where I'm going to show you how to basically turn $5 and no money whatsoever. So you have no money in your pocket, like $0, okay? And how to make, the goal is going to be $100 this weekend, okay? 100 to 300. I would ideally like to make $300, but I'm going to try and shoot for $100 at least, okay? So what I'm going to do is, now this is a collection of softwares I have, and yeah, actually softwares I've bought. I'll put links down below. For this thing, you don't need any money, okay? First thing, what you want to do is you want to go to Swagbucks, okay? Swagbucks is kind of like a online survey, all right, where you basically just fill out surveys, or if you buy things online, you can get cash back, okay? Now, what I really like is that I really like the surveys, because I just did a survey where I got 250 Swagbucks, and it took me 15 minutes. Now, what can you do with this 250 Swagbucks? You can use it to redeem for gift cards, okay? So you can use it for like PayPal Cash, Tim Hortons gift card, Amazon gift card, you know, and it's not that much, like 225 Swagbucks, 375 for a $5 gift card. Guys, if you look at it, like that's like an easy $5, right? That you use to buy something on Amazon. Now you're probably thinking, you see these ones like the 1875. Honestly, you're probably thinking, crap, how am I gonna make that? Right? Like that's quite a bit, for sure. But if you're just sitting around watching TV or doing nothing, you know, you don't know what to do, jump on this site, do a few surveys, and Bob's your uncle. You can easily make this 1875 in probably, I'm guessing, like 3 hours, because the more servers you add, or the more servers you do, the more the higher Swagbucks you'll be able to earn. So you saw that there was ones for $60, or for only 60 Swagbucks, but I got one for that was 238 because I did another survey before. Then you can add earn 75 Swagbucks for 15 minutes, right? Do the high ones. Do the high ticket ones. Or even this one if you need just a few, or if you got 5 minutes or something. Okay? But do the high ticket ones so that you can earn more. And then you'll actually get promoted more of these types of surveys with the high numbers. Alright? And even here, say you buy a Dell computer. You get 3 Swagbucks per dollar. So if you go to look at it, you can do what? Here, let's just pop open a calculator. I was gonna type it out. So, say you buy a computer for $2,000. 123 divided by 3. That's a crappy number to look at, but that's $666. So basically, $667, right? And that's in Swagbucks, you know. So you'll basically make quite a bit. And then you can use that for a $25 PayPal gift card that you can use for something else, or you know. So yeah. Oh, that was a good one. Lowe's. I just bought a garbage can. Huh. Should have bought it too there. Cool. Okay. Anyways, now what we're gonna do is, I have 439 Swagbucks. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually redeem this for a $5 gift card on Amazon. Okay, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, where'd it go? Redeem your Swagbucks. Now, how I'm going to make money is, so number one there, say 25%, redeem. Okay, enter my address. Hopefully no one can, shit. Alright, you know what, I'll do this later. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this gift card, and I'm going to use it as a giveaway. Okay, so I'm going to use a program called KingSumo. Okay, it's actually a free program, and what you can do is and they already have like a bunch of giveaways. Okay, they already have a bunch of giveaways that you can do. Can't remember. No, I don't think I've signed up for one yet. Now they already have a bunch of giveaways, but you can add your own type of gift card to, I'd say, as a giveaway on like either your Facebook page or this kind of contest, and you can get people's email address with that, because who wouldn't want to enter for a chance to win a $5 gift card, right? We see those things all the time on our phones, especially if you look at malware or anything. But this is a legitimate way, and if you make a good legitimate site, you might actually be able to get leads, and then you can pitch your different products to those leads. All right, so I'm gonna pause the video, I'm gonna set this all up, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you what else I did. I'm gonna actually set up this KingSumo. Another thing though, before I let you go, and this is really, really cool. This is what I actually just found, and I'm like, holy crap. What was it? So this is something called Lead Capture Page Boss. Now what I was looking for is a landing page builder. Now the thing is though, I want a free one. I need a free one. I don't have any money. So how are you going to make it with no money, right? You can join Power Lead System, but that costs $7. You can join ClickFunnels, that costs $97. Even if you get the shared funnel cheap price, alright? Big freaking deal, okay? Like, the point is, those cost money and they have a monthly cost. I'm trying to do this with little to no money as possible. I think I've got $10 in my PayPal account, and I'm going to try and save that for ads. So if I can get a free lead capture page, why not? I already have the autoresponder set up. Yeah, so this is going to be basically doing completely like turning $0 into $100 in a day. Inshallah. Let's do this. Alright, so now I'm just going to show you this lead landing pages. So here you got all these different landing pages. Now if you think about it, I swear to God, I've seen these different landing pages on like just random sites. You know, when you get like Affiliate Boss and all those things, they just like literally take all these random sites, and I swear they make them look like these, right? So the one I'm gonna choose is, actually I think I already had it. Sorry guys, I'm just okay. Capture pages, your system pages. Now, I haven't actually gone through the training of this. Yeah, that's the one. So let's edit capture page. Okay. See, it keeps bringing me back to this. Oh, there. Okay. I just had to scroll down. Alright, so this is essentially your basic landing page. Headline text here, emphasis, blah, blah, blah. What we're going to do is we're going to do this. Alright, so I'm gonna do this. So number one, actually, I'm giving away the gift card. So would you like enter for a $5 Amazon gift card? Okay. Drop your email below. Done. And I saw this guy. We hate spam. Your information is never sold. I saw one dude, Matt McWilliams, had like a really cool capture line. So I'm gonna do something like that too. So we hate spam. Now he put mayonnaise. I'm gonna use beef jerky. But we like beef jerky. We won't sell your promise not to share your information with others. Let's get some beef jerky. I don't know. Just add something quirky like that, so that people don't think that you're a spammer or you're one of those like spammy sites and everything, right? And I'm actually gonna highlight this color, different color. There. Now actually I've seen red, so you know what? I'm gonna go with red. I've seen a lot of people use red. Okay, there. Gift card. Drop your name and email. So add a little bit of color to it. There. Alright. So they put the name, email, boom, done. Now this is if you want to add any pixels or any tracking codes. Highly recommend it. I'm not going to do it at this time just because I want to kind of get this video done. And I want to try and keep these tutorials and case studies under like 30 minutes at least, right? Who wants to watch an hour-long video? No, you can change the background images. I kind of like what they had, so I might just leave it. You can play around with this. And we're just going to hit save changes. Okay? Done. Saved. Now, I'd like to preview my page. Let's actually make a carbon copy just in case I want to make changes. Okay. View your page on the internet. Boom. Wow. Guys, that's an easy freaking landing page. This took me less than 4 minutes to do. Gosh, not even. Holy crap, this is all I needed. Okay, boom. Alright guys, so now we have our landing page. Now listen up, you don't need Builderall. As you can see from here, I built a free freaking website. Now yes, it starts with like this lead capture page boss.com/millionaireboss. But there's two things you can do. One is you can add a custom domain to it. So like, I don't know, makemyownlife.com or something, or freegiftcard.com, right? Whatever, find it online. Second is you can even just cloak your link and cloak it as an affiliate link. So then you can change your different, change what the URL looks like without actually adding the custom domain and changing it, and you know. So, and that only works, that really works if you have an already owned website, and you have a cloak, like a WordPress cloak link plugin, I should say. And yeah, then that'll work with that. Alright. Second thing, now that we have our landing page, I'm going to go over to the King Sumo. I'm going to set up an offer, find what else they have, so that I can start getting email leads and start, you know, selling different products to them, right? Now, some of this can be affiliate products, survival products. Like, you can use this for anything, actually. Like, who wouldn't want to enter name and email for a $5 gift card? And, you know, you don't got to be about spammy what you sell, but at least you'll start to get, you know, more followers. You can even add Facebook, like, follow me on this. Actually, that's another good one. If you enter a contest through a Facebook page by joining a Facebook group, actually, you can even join mine. I'll even drop another $5 Amazon gift card just for joining, and I'll enter everyone into a draw, right? And it's free $5. Cool. So if you actually watch this video, click the link below where it says join here and join my Facebook group, and maybe every month or something, or you know, I'll have a draw for a $5 Amazon gift card. I'm going to be active on that Facebook group. So yeah, let's do this. Alright? So anyways, I'd like to thank you for watching. This is part 1 of case study of how I turned $0, zero absolute dollars, maybe even 5, and that's like the price of a McDonald's thing, to into $100 to $1,000. My ultimate goal is $1,000 in 10 days. Let's see if I can do it. Alright? Alright. So with that being said, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And I can't wait to do this, and I can't wait to see you on the side of success. All right, take care. Bye.